Hey, my name is Marty Leeds, and today I'm going to perform a miracle, or a mirror clue. And we're going to use pi to find the mythical Holy Grail, the cup from which Jesus drank. Pi is simply the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. So if your diameter is 1, your circumference would be 3.1415 ... Pi is an infinite transcendental number. In sacred geometry, heaven was always a 3 as a circle, and earth was always a 4. Of course, a circle is 360 degrees. This is our number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is, of course, completion because we have 10 fingers. Notice when you got to 10, really all you've done is go back to 1 and add a 0. So now we can walk up our number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when you got to 10, really, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 11 is 1 plus 1 is 2, and 12 is 1 plus 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can do this with the rest of the numbers into infinity, ultimately leaving you with 9 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a 0. These 9 numbers were called the Ennead by the Greeks and the Egyptians. There are 9 levels in the Chichen Itza Maya pyramid. And the Christian angelic hierarchy has 9 stages with 3 levels, those 9 stages being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now using the Christian angelic hierarchy, we can break down those 9 stages into 3 levels. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Of course, there's 3 numbers in each level, and 3 is, of course, a trinity. Notice the 3, 6, and 9 are at the end, and 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3, or 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6, 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals 15, and 1 plus 5 equals 6, and 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals 24, and 2 plus 4 equals 6, or the number 666. It's the number of the beast. It's also a number of man. You have 3 trinities, 1, 2, 3, and if you have 3 trinities and a trinity equals 3, ultimately you have 1 trinity. And that trinity is, of course, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, or the whole Spirit. This is the Greek monad. It's also the Egyptian sun glyph. The monad in isosophy, or alphanumeric letters, it's where each letter was assigned a number, equaled 361. We're not going to go over those numbers or those letters, but all we need to know is that 360 degrees and 1. And that 1, of course, is you. Now we can use those 9 numbers and put them around a number dial with the trinity in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Notice the 9, the 3, and the 6 all end up on the trinity. The radius of the Earth is roughly 3,960 miles, and of course we are the 3rd planet from the Sun. But this is probably just a coincidence. If we're looking for the tree of life, all we have to do is crack our pie and notice 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 6 plus 3 is 9, and 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 times 5 equals 45, or 45. And 9 divided by 2 equals 4.5, 4.5. The tree of life is also the Christmas tree. And on Christmas, we put a star at the top of our tree. Now, after the solstice, the sun starts moving south on the horizon, and it keeps moving south until December 22nd, where it stops moving south and dies. It dies under the Southern Crux constellation. It's dead for 3 days, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and on December 25th, or Christmas, it raises 1 degree, or the mass of the sun was lifted, and we start the cycle of life over again. So let's take a look at the star on top of the tree. This is a pentagram, or a five-pointed star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. The ratio of this line here is 1, and the ratio of this line here is 0.618. Doesn't matter how big you make this star, this ratio will be the same. 1.618 was the ratio of phi, or 5, by the Greeks, and it was called the golden mean or golden proportion. This proportion is seen in all life, from plants to flowers to animals, and is expressed in the human body. From the bottom of your feet to your navel equals 1, and from the navel to your top of your head equals 0.618, making the entire man 1.618. In order to find this ratio, we need to look in the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of growth that grows only from terms within itself. For instance, it starts with 0 and 1 and grows from within itself. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 plus 13 is 34, and 34 plus 21 is 55. 55 is going to be an important number. Notice you can label these terms now with knowing that the Fibonacci sequence needs to start with two terms, which is 0 and 1. So that 0 and 1 is the first term. 1 is the second, second is the third, third is the fourth, and of course, notice the 5 and the 5 line up. And then you have 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th term is 55. And of course, 5 plus 5 equals 10. In order to find this 1.618, which has been called God's fingerprint, you just need to divide a number in the Fibonacci sequence by its predecessor. So 55 divided by 34 is roughly 1.618. Let's take a look at the human hand. Notice you have 5 fingers, and there are 14 sections of those 5 fingers. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And of course, 1 plus 4 equals 5. Of course, you have 2 hands, 5 and 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10, or completion. Let's go back to our number line.